Hey there folks, welcome back to Robby Hobby, where today we are diving into a unique culinary adventure with something I have never tried before, grilled baby octopus. Here we are starting our day again with our favorite foods and canola with yogurt. Good morning, Archie. Now, after a morning workout and a quick trip to the Chinese supermarket for our upcoming Canada trip, my buddy Archie surprised me with an unusual find, octopus.
It's kind of rare.
Is it rare?
Kind of.
What is it?
It's octopus.
Octopus? And you gonna eat it?
Yeah.
Have you had it before?
No.
So how do
I
I...
had it on the cruise.
On the cruise, you liked it?
Yeah.
So you just eat it like this, raw?
Yeah.
Just like this?
Yeah. Pretty sure.
Try it.
Not right now.
Why not?
Well, yeah.
Huh? We are in Asian market to do some shopping for our Canada trip. Looking for the gas for the little stove we have. This should have live octopus also, right? Oh, these are live. What are these?
You have the receipt?
Yeah, I got this. Hey guys, here what happened today. We went to the Asian market and Archie grabbed something weird today, which is this octopus. And he say he likes it, and I just want to see his face while he's eating this. Let's see, Archie. Okay.
It's good.
How is it? How does it taste? Any vegetable taste like that?
No. It is really good though.
Really?
Yeah.
You do like this thing?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god, this looks like snake. Archie, what did you turn yourself in? Oh
What do you
my
mean?
god. Oh my god, and you're gonna eat like that.
Mm-hmm. Look at all the...
That's the tentacles.
One second. I'm gonna show my friends this.
That looks so weird. And I can't believe you're eating it, Archie.
Why?
He was ready to eat it raw, but come on, I had to step in and work some magic in the kitchen. Now, I will admit, as a lifelong vegetarian, I have never ate meat or seafood, but I have got a knack for flavor, especially when it comes to pleasing people close to me. Yeah, I want to see how you eat it.
What do you mean? I see how I eat it.
Oh, this is so weird to me.
It's just food.
It's not food, it's octopus.
Yeah.
Look at yourself. What did you turn yourself in? So, armed with fresh coriander, a green chili for that spicy kick Archie loves, a clove of garlic, a jalapeno, half a tomato, half an onion, a boiled potato, and of course about 250 gram of baby octopus, half lemon. I figured, why not give it a shot? Alright, let's jump right into the recipe. Heat up a pan, add a couple of tablespoons of olive oil, and once it's nice and hot, toss in your chopped onion and jalapeno. Then in goes the octopus and potato. Let them sizzle away for a few minutes. Next up, add in the garlic and tomato. Let that all simmer together for about 4 to 5 minutes over medium heat. Now here comes the flavor party. Half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper for some heat. Salt to taste and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Give it another couple of minutes to mingle those flavors. Oh, and can't forget the squeeze of half a lemon, because lemon and seafood, right? They're like a match made in culinary heaven. Mix it all up, let it sizzle for another minute. And there you have it, your sizzled baby octopus ready to serve. Sprinkle some fresh coriander on top for that final touch of freshness, and voila. Now the big question, does Archie approve? Let's find out.
Here, try this. I know you don't like that. I know you don't like it raw. Now you like it?
Yeah.
Like it this way? Good.
Well, I'm happy to report, folks, he's a fan. So there you have it, brand new kid-approved seafood dish born out of our vegetarian's culinary creativity. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, keep exploding in the kitchen.